Hi, this is Jennifer Wilson again. Now we're going to do the eye technique. This is the one that everybody really wants to see. So we're going to go step by step, make it really super easy. This is not a massage technique that you're going to need to do for 10 minutes. The muscles on the face are very small and very intricate, so you don't need to do a lot of massage to get the same benefits. So the best part is, well, you want to look at where's your client's problems. Do they have the little angry 11s? Is there some crow's feet going on? And you also want to be able to lift the eyebrows. So what you're going to do is you're going to start on either side of the nose. By doing this, you're going to bring the index fingers up. This is also stimulating a lot of the acupressure points. From here, keep your index fingers right on the brow bone as you skin roll the eyebrows. It looks a little creepy, but it feels really, really good. Again, you want to do this about 3 times because this time, one time is like to activate, then stimulate, and then it's to release. So again, on either side of the nose, you're going to work all the way up. Keep the index fingers right on the brow bone, and you're going to skin roll between the thumb and the index finger. This is going to help drain that frontal sinus. Starts helping with the lacrimal, but also with the acupressure points that are here along the brow bone. This is going to help with migraines, sinus pressure, allergies, headaches, and stress. So these are also some things that your facials can actually help with. If they have the little angry 11s, or if they don't, you want to iron those out. You want to cup your hands around either side of their cheeks. And now you're just going to iron everything out. This really helps to not only release stress, it helps with sinuses again, but it's also helping to iron out these little corrugator muscles. From here, don't stop. You're going to go all along that brow bone. What this is doing is actually helping to release the circular muscle around the eye, which is called the orbicularis oculi, from the frontalis muscle and the temporalis muscle. So by just doing thumb over thumb, you're going to lift and remind those muscles where they need to be. Do they have heavy crow's feet? Or even if they don't, just do a little bit of tension on the skin and work this all the way into the temple. Now remember, that muscle goes all the way to here. So just make sure that you're not getting a lot of product in their hair, and they should be happy. Finish up with doing a little bit of upswing to get more of the masseters and the temporal joint, the temporomandibular joint muscles. Now this is the one that everybody likes to make harder than it is. What you're going to do is you're actually going to just balance your hand on her head, and this is only going to be using 2 fingers at a time. So from here, you're going to sweep out on that pointer finger. Lift up, sweep out. The reason why I have my hand here, it feels a lot more nurturing. And this way she knows I have control. With your other hand, you're actually going to cup it around underneath the chin. Now, if you have smaller hands, you may need to adjust your hands accordingly. With this one, you're going to come in and down to drain. In and down to drain. So when you add them together, it's going to look like a little figure 8. This is amazing for firming, lifting, plumping, actually working to lift the brow bone. It's draining the lymphatic, it's draining sinuses, because you're also stroking back and forth underneath the chin, which will help with lymphatic. If a lot of people break out underneath their chin, that is a lot of lymphatic drainage issues. So again, and if you just want to practice 1 finger at a time, it's just coming out and out, then stop. Bring the other finger in and down. So it's just pointer and thumb. Those are the only 2 fingers that should be moving. And just make it into a little figure 8. This is a little bit different than we're taught. It is a really good massage technique. If you're doing an add-on eye treatment, this is definitely something that people would want to spend extra money on versus just applying different products. So as you can see, even with the face, you can see where her eyebrow is higher, the brow bone to this side. Look at the drainage that's going on with here. The mouth is turned up on this side, and you can see how plump the skin is on this side, where you can still see some congestion, where there's a little bit of congestion stuck around the mouth, and the eye is not high enough on this side. And even as young as she is, you're still going to see a significant difference with using these massage techniques. And there is the eye treatment. Thank you so much.